Hey there! In today's video, we're going to delve into a fascinating topic surrounding the impact of cache locality on the performance of ArrayList compared to LinkedList in Java. The problem at hand is understanding why ArrayList is often said to have an advantage in terms of cache locality, despite Java storing objects as references in memory. It can be quite confusing to grasp the nuances of this topic, but fret not, we'll break it down for you. So, let's jump right into the solution. In Java, every variable is of fixed size and small, which allows for statements like every parameter is copied when calling a method. When you declare a variable like string x equals hello, it's essential to understand that x is not the actual string hello, but a reference to it. Think of it as pointing to a house in an address book. This concept is crucial to understanding how ArrayList and LinkedList operate in terms of memory allocation and access. Now, let's summarize what we discussed so far. Understanding the fundamentals of how Java handles variables and references is key to unraveling the mysteries of cache locality impact on ArrayList and LinkedList performance. Remember, ArrayList acts like a contiguous address book, while LinkedList scatters its pages with additional overhead. In Java terms, ArrayList often prevails over LinkedList due to its efficient memory access patterns. And with that, we've reached the end of our exploration. If you found this video insightful, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Remember, in the world of Java, ArrayList tends to be the go-to choice. Thanks for watching, and until next time.